How to fix if voice to text not working on your iPhone. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is tap on settings, scroll down and go to general and scroll down and tap on keyboard, and here ensure that show prediction and other features are duly enabled. In dictation only if turned off, simply enable it. Again tap on settings and here scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll down and content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that allowed apps, under allowed apps, Siri and dictation is duly enabled. If you have restriction imposed, then Siri and search is allowed. Again tap on settings and scroll down and go to Siri and search. Here go to listen for and make sure that this feature is Siri is duly enabled on your iPhone. That's all.